Speaking about, if we can talk about loan stuff for a moment. Um, Again, we do all of the major loan types: conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, down payment assistance programs. I probably have 5 or 6 different versions of
You
that
do.
that we can do. Construction loans, we can do those now. Really, just about any product in the marketplace, any loan, lending, mortgage product in the marketplace, we can do it primary residential mortgage. We are.
And you are private, correct?
Yeah, we're a private direct lender. We're a privately held company, a very large company. What we are is called an independent mortgage bank. Okay, other places that if you're a consumer that you've heard of, obviously are banks, right? Credit unions, and they're structured a little differently. Namely, just that they don't, they have other things that they do, savings accounts and boat loans and stuff like that,
Right.
right? Stuff, bank stuff. But what we do is we only lend
Loans.
money on, 90% of what we do is residential. We do have some avenues for commercial loans as well. But lending is all we do, and we are direct lenders, right? So that essentially also means that we are not brokers, right? Broker is a little bit different. So sometimes people will, and in my class that I teach the first-time buyers, I explain the difference between banks, brokerages, and independent mortgage bank, right? So, but my company or our company that we work for is Primary Residential Mortgage, and we're based in Salt Lake City. And again, privately held company, debt-free company, and we've lasted a long time. I think '98 is when the company started. We have branches in every state except New York. And I have, a branch of primary residential myself. I'm a branch manager there as well as a loan originator. But it's just a solid company. As
Absolutely.
you've seen in your dealings in every facet with us, we're just a very compliant, common sense,
For sure.
experts at what we do.
You make something complex, very simple. And that's the part that I like, and it's easy and informative for my clients.
Awesome. I'm glad to hear that, because that's what I'm trying to do. But it is a big topic. Lending is a complicated topic, So, having the ability to break things down for people, and as I alluded to at some point, also just to go through, for example, closing costs. What is that? Everybody, I've heard of closing costs. What is that? How much is that, right?
Right.
And